Good evening mga idols, mga followers, subscribers. September 27, 2024, short hearing today. Pang gabi ito guys, pang evening, pang alas 9 draw. Bonus guys, pa bonus. 975 target rumble. 843 target rumble, pa bonus guys ha. Subscribe my channel sa YouTube channel and follow, like and share. Thank you and bye and God bless you. Sana manalo tayo. Kanina alas 4 guys, alas 5 guys, nanalo tayo na target rumble 370. Salamat sa inyo. Bye.